In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zoho survey. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to start from the Zoho homepage and quickly set up a survey using templates, or choose other options if you prefer. First, open your web browser and go to the main Zoho website. On the Zoho homepage, you'll see a list of products that cover everything from email to CRM. Take a moment to look for the product specifically labeled Survey. This is Zoho's dedicated tool for building and managing surveys. Next, click on Survey. This will take you to the Zoho Survey product page. Here, Zoho explains the features of the survey tool, but what we're interested in is getting into the actual app. Look for the button that says Access Zoho Survey and click that. If you're not already signed in, Zoho will ask you to log in or create an account. Go ahead and do that so you can continue. Once you're inside Zoho Survey, you'll be taken to the main survey dashboard. This is where you choose how you want to get started. You'll see three main options: create a new survey from scratch, import an existing survey, or choose from a template. If you want to build everything on your own, you can click Create New Survey. That option is great if you already know your questions and want full control over every detail. If you already have a survey saved elsewhere, you can click Import Survey. This allows you to bring in a survey you've previously created instead of rebuilding it manually. In this video though, we'll focus on using a ready-made template, which can save a lot of time. To do that, click Choose from Template. Zoho will show you different categories of templates tailored for various purposes. Let's say you're working on something related to customers or promotions. In that case, a marketing template is a good example. Click on the marketing category to see the available templates in that area. Browse through the choices until you find one that seems close to what you need. When you've found a template you like, click on the Select button. Zoho will highlight that choice and show you a preview of the survey structure and sample questions. Finally, click on Create. Zoho will generate your new survey based on the template you selected and open it in the editor. From here, you can customize the title, adjust the questions, and tweak the design to match your needs. That's how you create a Zoho survey using templates, with options to start from scratch.